All right, I'm about 14 hours into my 1 meal a day fast. I'm currently having my electrolyte drink. We have Himalayan pink salt today because I ran out of real salt and I wasn't gonna go drive downtown. Got some baking soda in here and I've got some potassium salt. So right now I'm doing alternate day OMAD. I'm doing OMAD every other day. The reason why I'm doing OMAD every other day is still that I need OMAD as a self-check when it comes to my struggles with binge eating. Now, mind you, when I say 1 meal a day, it's the name of the fast. I am not right now eating 1 meal a day. My body composition does not allow me to eat 1 meal a day. I am way too muscular. And my goal right now is to build muscle. 1 meal a day is not the greatest diet for muscle building. Point, period, blank. It's not. That's why when I do train at the gym, which is every 48 hours, I am eating throughout the day. But regardless, the key to all of this is staying in a calorie deficit and picking one calorie number and sticking to it. It's time that we get back to the tools that found me success on my weight loss journey. My calorie count has been all over the place for this reset. It's been up and down, up and down. Now, I stuck to it because I did have a little weekly calendar plan that I had out, and I stuck to the calories, yes. However, were they accurate? I'm not sure because I didn't have my phone, I wasn't scanning things, and I was probably being very lackadaisical with my tracking. But now that I've got my new iPhone, it's in a OtterBox Defender, it's in a Fortress because I cannot deal with these phones breaking. I just gotta get a screen protector, even though it's protected, but I like extra security. I hate that it's black. I wish I had some color to it, but it's okay. We're gonna get things rolling. This week, I am aiming for, we're just gonna go for it. We'll see how my body responds. On OMAD days, we're gonna do 1,200 calories strict. Problem is, when I go to the gym, my body does demand more calories, so what do? OMAD days, 1,200 calories. And for the gym days, I will give my body a range. I wanna try to stick to one, but it's really hard when you're really cranking it up. But this is the reset. This is me trying to find my new groove. When it comes to weight loss, the ones who become successful are the ones who are able to adapt to their current circumstances. You're not going to be able to stick to one diet forever, stick to one calorie count forever. I look at bodybuilders as an example and how they do it because they're the experts of getting lean in a situation that's really difficult to being lean. They're constantly readjusting and changing their diet and macros to allow for the conditions to play out. And that's just the reality of life. Like, let's say you've had surgery, you have an injury, you had a setback. You have to constantly adjust. The ones who adjust and eventually get comfortable with that adjustment and go smooth sailing are the ones that are going to succeed. I'm currently going through an adjustment period and I'm no shame in sharing that. However, my habits are still there. I'm still counting my calories, even though they have not been as accurate as I like them to be. They should be now. I am still going to the gym. I'm still exercising and I'm still weighing myself daily. So as long as those habits are in place, the scale will not get away from me. The scale always gets away from me when I don't count my calories and I don't track. End of September, those last couple weeks when I went on that vacation, I didn't bring my scale. And I didn't count my calories. The scale got away from me and now I'm reeling it back in. So that's what it's all about. Anyway, today's an OMAD meal prep day. We will be meal prepping. So I got my organic sweet potatoes, thank God. I found them at Superstore. These are the organic ones. These are the shit ones. So gross. I just wasted like $5, but these ones are $8, but worth it. They taste like real sweet potatoes. So I'll be meal prepping again because meal prepping has been a lifesaver when I started doing it. So you'll see all of that play out. For now, I am going to have the rest of my drink, have some black coffee, and then sit down and film some YouTube videos. I have to do some sit down YouTube filming, and I have a live stream in about an hour and 45 minutes. This new iPhone has a cinematic feature for the camera, and I don't know how I feel about it. I also don't know how I feel about this blonde hair. Honestly, I want to go black, but I only have blonde wigs left. And just to reiterate, the reason why I wear wigs is because my neck is mangled. Normally I would be in braids or I would be in extensions, but because my neck is mangled and I can't stay in one position for a long time, plus I swim at the pool. Well, I haven't swam in months, but I will be going back to be swimming once I get my city pass done. And since I work out a lot, it's too much pressure on my neck to be styling my hair naturally. So wigs are just easier right now until I heal up. Anyway, blonde. I didn't want to go blonde. Oh, it's a struggle getting out of this house in this winter weather. I didn't want to go to the gym, but we got to ignore our feelings, and sometimes we just got to do what is necessary. Let's focus on the positives. I have a new phone, so yay to being able to select multiple streams of music, and I don't have to worry about my phone, which is key. Anyway, let's head to the gym and get in some cardio. I'm not gonna lie, this OMAD thing is taking its toll on me. It's hard going in and out of OMAD, especially today for some reason, but I'm gonna suck it up and get it done. All right, breaking my fast at 22 hours and 9 minutes. Oh my gosh. Thanks, Siri. New phone issues. All right, here is my meal prep. As you can see, there you go. I gotta make another set. I've got that and that. So I'm gonna go devour this. So excited. While watching some Ashley Cultwalser, because she just posted a video. I cannot believe the Olympias this week. Where did the time go? All right, I'm having another meal prep of the same thing because it's so delicious. I'm currently meal prepping for the next couple days because my meal preps are all gone. This tastes amazing. It's ground turkey, but when I seasoned the old meal prep, I did not have any garlic. Now I have some garlic, and it's changing the game. Garlic salt. So freaking good. Need all my seasonings. And there's a big pot of vegetables, and we've got the rice cooking away. So I'm gonna go have this because I'm about to faint. I'm hungry. All right, mini meal prep done. Note to self, this is 130 grams of basmati rice and 100 grams of ground beef. I ran out of vegetables and rice. So just a note to my future self there. That's a little less. But everything else is 150 grams each, 150 grams of turkey, lean ground turkey, 150 grams of basmati rice, and 150 grams of these mixed vegetables. So I have that done. And for today, I believe I'm at a total of 1,000 calories. Thank God I have a working phone now. Yes, I'm at a total of 1,000 calories. I'm still a bit hungry, so I'm gonna get in probably fat. Yeah, I only have 9 grams of fat. So what am I gonna do to get in some fat? I'm just gonna have some almond butter and my little chocolate almond butter thing and some chocolate, dark chocolate. That's all gonna help me get in some fat because that is not enough fat on the day. Not enough calories either. So I'll probably go over 1,200 calories, and that's fine because my body needs it. Anyway, I'm gonna go put this away and show you guys my last meal. All right, update on yesterday's video. Sorry for the hair color change, guys. I'm trying to get this sorted out, but I'm trying to stick to one color. It's been a struggle. I'm gonna tell you what I ended up doing. I did end up eating a little bit more that night because, again, when I don't get enough calories, I start to get symptoms in my neck. It's just been the way it is. So yesterday I had a total of 1,512 calories, 139 grams of net carbs, total carbs 179 grams, 119 grams of protein, 48 grams of fat, and there you have it. It should be on the screen for you now as I take a screenshot because I've got a phone that works. So kudos to that, my new phone. And if you made it this far into the video, just drop in 3 purple heart emojis. I appreciate you guys so much. Thank you so much for being here. Thank you for sticking through me throughout everything. I'm trying to create a purpose right now. It's been hard with everything that has been happening, But without going through the hard times, you do not get to level up. The hard times are necessary in order to get to the good times, in order to grow strength and, you know, achieve your goals. Nothing good in life comes easy. Anyway, that's Bo eating in the background. Send you guys mad love. Take care. Bye.